Hello, grade 6 students. This is day 18 of STP Mathematics 1A lesson. So these days we are discussing the sums related to BODMAS, and yesterday I asked you to do these 10 questions, right? Hope all of you have done them, and some of you have mentioned that you tried it and there were some difficult questions. Don't worry, I will explain all these 10 questions now. So please take your exercise book and the pink pen, and when you're copying down the steps, let's say that after I complete all the 10 sums, that you feel that you want to copy down the steps, please don't use blue or black pen. That's better to use your pink pen because you know later. So these are the things I copied down after the teacher's discussion. They are not your answers. They are from teacher's answer sheet, right? Okay, so then we will move to the first one. That is question number 31. You just see how I'm showing the, right? Question number 30. Why it is not working? Do like this. For some reason it is not working. I will use this whiteboard. Right, so question number 31, right? We have 19 plus 3 times 2 minus 8 divided by 2. That first I take the division, that gives me 4. And then I take the multiplication, that gives me 6. Then I rewrite this question, 19 plus 6 minus 4, right? 19 plus 6, what is the answer, children? So then you want to do this step by step. So then it gives me 25. From 25, I deduct 4. It gives me 21, right? It gives me 21. So then here I write 21. So that is done, right? So I double check whether I did it correctly. 8 divided by 2, 4. 3 times 2, 6. 19 plus 6, it is 25. 25 minus 4, it is 21, right? So then this is 32. And 7 multiplied by 2 minus 3 plus 6 divided by 2. First, I take this division, it gives me 3, and then the multiplication, it gives me 14. I rewrite this question, 14 minus 3 plus 3. Here that I can do this easily, but I follow the method I explained earlier. When I have the here positive 3, negative 3, we can cancel out. But I'm not taking that concept. Instead, I take that I ask you to take the positive ones first, then the negative ones. So 14 plus 3, it is 17. So then 17 minus 3, it is 14, right? So you might think that why teacher is using this much of step. I want to follow the rule. I want to follow the concept, not the shortcuts, right? So that is the reason that I'm doing so many steps, because it doesn't give me a wrong answer, right? So then the 33, I have 8 plus 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 8 plus 3 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2. Yeah. So then first I do this 2, and then I do this 6. I rewrite the question 8 plus 6 minus 2. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 minus 2 is 12. Okay. But always before moving to the next question, I double check, children. So 32, I couldn't double check. 6 divided by 2, 3. 14, 14 minus 3, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 minus 3, 14. 4 divided by 2, 2, 3 times 2, 6. Yeah, it is correct. So then I'm moving to question number 34. Question number 34, 7 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 1. First, I want to do the division. This is 2. Then, oh my goodness, we did it, right? 7 times 2, another question. So then the 7 times 2, it is 14. Then I rewrite this 14 minus 2 plus 1. So according to my usual practice, I take the positive numbers first and I write it 15 minus 2 and it is 13. Okay. So I double check 17 times 2, 4 divided by 2 plus 1. So then 2, 7 times 2, 14. Yeah, answer is 13. Question number 35. 6 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 times 3 times 4. 8 divided by 4, it is 2. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24. So then I rewrite this 6 plus 2 plus 24. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 24, 32. I double check 6 plus 8 divided by 4 plus 2 times 3 times 4. 8 divided by 4, it is 2. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4, 24. Yeah, so then 26, 32, correct. So then we are moving to the kind of the complicated ones. Question number 36 onwards. I know that it is confusing sometimes, but don't worry, that just look at the board and whether you see whether you can understand what I am explaining here. So then the divided by 12 plus 6 minus 2. Now children, first I want to take the division now. So if I'm trying to get the division, I have to divide 4 by 12. I can divide 4 by 12. It gives me a decimal answer. It doesn't give me a whole answer, the whole number. In that case, I told you that when you are trying to divide, because we want to give the priority for the division, and we are trying to divide, and it gives me a decimal answer. It is not a whole number. In that case, I'm not going for the division. Instead, I do the multiplication first, right? So 5 times 3, what is the answer? It is 15. 15 times 4, it is 60. Now, you can do that. 60 you divide by 12. So that is possible. So then 60 when you divide by 12, it gives me the answer 5. I rewrite my question 5 plus 6 minus 2. So then a few students, they have sent me messages that they are telling that 36, I can't do that because it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because you might have tried to do the division first. According to the rule, we want to start from the division, children. That is true. But here that when we are trying to divide it, it gives us a decimal answer. Therefore, please keep the division aside and do the multiplication first, right? 5 times 3, 15. 15 times 4, 60. That 60, I divide by 12. It gives me the answer 5. So then 5 plus 6, 11. Then 11 minus 2, the answer is 9. Hope it is clear for all of you. Right, so then I will move to the 37. Children, even though I'm moving the screen like this, if you want to copy down anything, you can pause the video and do it. Right, so then here 5 plus 6 times 2 minus 8 divided by 2 plus 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Right? So then 6 times 2, the answer is 12. Okay? So then I rewrite this 5 plus 12 minus 4 plus 3. So as a practice, first I write the positive numbers together, right? So I do it as a practice. 5 plus 12, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 minus 4, the answer is 16. So then I want to double check whether I have done it correctly. 6 times 2, 12. Right? So then we have 8 divided by 2. So then the answer is 16, correct. Yeah. So then question number 38. Another difficult question most of you have requested from me. 7 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 6 times 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2, answer 2. 9 divided by 3, answer 3. 6 times 2, 12. Right? Right. So then what we do, redo the question, that rewrite it, 17 minus 3 plus 12 minus 2. So then I rewrite this, 7 plus 12 minus 3 minus 2. So then it is 19 minus 3 minus 2. 19 minus 3, 16. 16 minus 2, 14. See whether you have got the answers like this, children. Right? So first you want to do the division, right? Then only you can move to the multiplication. So then addition and the subtraction. The answer is 14. So then the question number 39. 9 divided by 3, subtract 2, plus 1, plus 6 times 2. 9 divided by 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 6. Yeah. So 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. 6 multiplied by 2, answer is 12. Okay. So then here it is 3 minus 2 plus 1 plus 12. Right. So then the 3 plus 1 plus 12 minus 2. Right. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 12, 16 minus 2, 14. Right. So 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 minus 2. Yeah. So then 6 times 2, 12. Right. Always before moving to the next one, children, please double check what you have done. Right. Answer 14. It is correct. So then the question number 40, the last question. Right. So that is 4 multiplied by 2 minus 6 divided by 3 plus 3 times 2 times 4. 6 divided by 3, 2. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 4, 24. And then the 4 times 2, 8. Okay. 6 divided by 3, it is 2. 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 4, 24. 4 times 2, 8. So then I write 8 minus 2 plus 24. So then I take 8. So then this might be an unnecessary step for you, but that I prefer to have this step because it doesn't give me a wrong answer. It ensures that I'm following the correct path. So 4 times 2, subtract 6 divided by 3 plus 3 times 2 times 4. It gives me the answer 30. Okay, children, that is all about the homework. So now I'm moving to the next theory content. Please take your theory books, right? Please take your theory books and go to the subtopic, put the date and go to the subtopic using bracket. So you can take your black color pen and write down this using bracket. So under the BODMAS, now we are going to do a few sums using bracket. So far we had division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, but we didn't have the brackets. Now we are going to learn how to use the bracket and how we are going to follow the BODMAS or the BIDMAS concept, right? Take your theory books, put the date and write down the subtopic in black color, even though I mark it in blue that you want to write this in black color, so then use in bracket. Under that, I will explain you how to get the answers. So then here I write 2 times. I'll take that this is the example, right? So example 1. I'll write here example 1, right? You just see what I'm 2 times 3 is 2 times 6, 6, 4. Divided by 6. According to the BODMAS, listen to me carefully, children. According to the BODMAS, first I want to take the bracket now. It is very similar to the example I gave you. You are going to serve the welcome drink to your principal. Now you go to principal, sir, right? So that is the bracket, that most superior person in the event. Okay. So when you go there, inside the bracket, with him in that table, that area, I can see that the principal and his driver, let's say, or the assistant. Similar to that, here I have the subtraction. According to the order, subtraction count, that is the last math operation. So then can I ignore this subtraction when I come inside the bracket? No, children. When I'm still solving the bracket, that means either I have division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever it is, I want to do it inside the bracket. So it's like this. 3 times 6, 18. Okay. 18 minus 4, 14. You want to do it like this. Okay. Step by step. 3 times 6, 18. 18 minus 4, 14. Now the bracket is solved. Now inside the bracket, in front of the bracket, what do you have, children? 2 times 14. Can you see? 2 times the bracket. So bracket answer is 14 now. Then 2 times 14, it is 28. Okay. Then 12 divided by 6, it is 2. Now I rewrite this, that I have simplified the whole thing up to positive 7. First I simplified the bracket. It gives me the answer. It gave me the answer 14, and 14 I multiplied by 2. It gives me 28. That 28 I add 7 and subtract 2. 28 plus 7, it is 35, minus 2. The answer is 33, right? The answer is 33. Hope it is clear, right? When you have the bracket, first you solve the bracket. Inside the bracket, let's say you have the addition, subtraction, don't worry, right? So don't worry, you simplify. You just imagine at that moment when you are simplifying the bracket, you have that portion only for the whole sum, right? So you don't think about any other thing outside the bracket. You just think about the bracket, and at that moment you think, so that is the whole sum, and you simplify the bracket and get the answer 14. And you just see that in front of the bracket what you have. So here that you have multiplication 2. So then you multiply 14 by 2. It gives me the answer 28. That means, children, it covers that you can see this 28 cover the whole thing here, this part. Up to this I have done now, right? Up to this I have done. Okay. So then I want to add 7 and minus 2. So minus 2, it came at 12 divided by 6. Okay. I'll take another example, right? I'll take another example. Let's say this one, the question number 15, I will take 4 plus 3. So example 2, right? Example 2, 4 plus 3. Multiplied 2 minus 1 plus 8 divided by 9 minus 2. Now that here I have two brackets. 2 minus 1, what is the answer? The answer is 1. 9 minus 7, what is the answer? 2. In front of the bracket, what I have? Division and 8. 8 divided by 2, what is the answer? 4. In front of the bracket, what I have? Multiplication 3. What is the answer? 3. Right? So now you just think that here, so this is one portion like this. Right? And this one, it is another portion. Right? So then I have simplified them step by step. So then I have 4 plus 3 plus 4, right? The answer is 11. Okay, when you have this kind of thing, so first you want to simplify the bracket, right? So here that we inside the bracket, we don't have complicated things. Instead, we have only the simple subtraction. So then you do them and then you check that what you have in front of the bracket and you simplify that portion also. So then you write the final version for plus 3 and plus 4 because that the whole portion, the first portion, it gives me the answer 3. And the second portion, it gives me the answer 4, right? Hope it is clear, children, that when you have the bracket, right? So then I took that kind of a difficult 2 examples, children, right? So here that you don't have that much of complicated thing. So you have the simple ones. So I will show you what are the questions you want to do. So these 10 questions you want to do. Very simple, but you want to do these 10 questions, right? So then I want to give you a few sums. After that, we'll see that what we do have to cover. Yeah, so then we want to move to the number pattern, right? So then the next day I will explain these 10 questions, right? So I will explain these 10 questions and I will give you another few homework. No, it's better that we'll do like this. You can do these 10 questions, right? You can do these 10 questions and wait, show you. The last 10 questions. I know it is difficult, but don't worry. So then you can do it step by step. The first 1 to 10. So you want to do 1 to 10, and then you want to do 21 to 30. Okay. So then if you can't understand, don't worry. You just mention it in the video itself. Then I will bring the answers for the doubts you have in the next video. So then these are the 20 questions you want to do. Okay, children, we'll meet again next day. Till then, stay safe. Bye.